Vocarium supports multiple versions for a part. In this context, version refers to different problem sets that share the same grading rubric and can be used interchangeably. A learner only needs to submit their solution for one of the versions. To use this feature, click into a part and turn on the option for multiple versions under Miscellaneous Options at the very bottom. Random means the platform will randomly assign a problem version to the learner. The other option allows the learner to choose on their own. Now when you select Configure Workspace, there should be a button called Version that defines multiple versions of the same part. When you select Edit, you'll be able to add or delete versions. You can specify the name of a version and also mark an existing version as deleted. Marking a version as deleted doesn't remove the underlying data and can be retrieved later by turning off Deleted Selection. After creating the version, you will now see a selection for which version of the part you are working on. You can use it to create various resources for that version of the part.